Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So updating Eurusd for today. Pretty much we had the upside momentum really kicking off, and again from our last video we were looking at a sell bias. Now that we've actually broke 1.2, we did mention in the previous analysis video that if we did, we're going to be looking for some bullish momentum, and it is quite clear looking back over, looking at how structure has been overtaken. This does make sense, and obviously we can now just look at this in a more bullish perspective. So where I'm looking at for this pair for now is I'm going to draw on some channel lines, and it can give you a future indication of where price could lead into. So with these two range bound boundaries that I've just drawn, I'm looking at price to make its way obviously to the upside. I'm looking to target 1.23. I want to see how price can, really relate to this level. I'm just using this level from a previous high or low from the weekly time frame. So this is going quite way back. So what I'm looking at in particular in terms of the route, I'm looking at for something like this, a potential pullback. We could even come back into retesting this at some degree or at some point. So that 1.2 level, and then I want to see price reach into 1.23. And I really just want to see how price can what can happen at this point, because I am looking for this sell bias to come back into 1.16 at least, which we did mention from our previous analysis video. So yeah, there's a lot of liquidity lying below here, and I think that we could get into this after we've completed the upside move. So I want to see price, pretty much do something like this, where we get that return into 1.2 as the possible retest. And again, I think this would be the best scenario to look at and trading into, and seeing if we can get into 1.23. So again, that's around 300 pip move. We'll obviously look at 1.22, but ideally I want to see how, if we can get to 1.23. I'm going to be looking out for some divergence. As we can see here, we are looking at some overbought conditions, but pretty much I want to see that if we can take out this level or 1.22, could be a really good indication in the future. So in terms of the time scale, I think that this could happen, I think this route could happen within December. So possibly next year we can look at, what's going to happen after this. So I'm thinking December will be, pretty much, this scenario. So we get up the retracement and then the push higher. And then pretty much after that, we can look further into what's going to happen to the market. So that's all I've got for EURUSD for the next few days and weeks or so for EURUSD. If there is any other changes, we will provide a video update. If you are new to this channel, feel free to join our trading group. That link is in the description. If you'd have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below or follow our Instagram. I'm more than happy to help anyone. And again, guys, I do hope you have a great trading week, and we'll see you guys all into the next video.